How to redirect a domain in GoDaddy. Quick and easy guide. Hey there, want to redirect your domain in GoDaddy the quick and easy way? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through each step so you can forward your domain in just minutes. Let's get started. Step 1, log into GoDaddy first. Head over to godaddy.com and log into your account. Use your username and password to access your dashboard. Step 2, access domain settings. Once you're in, find the My Products section. Here, you'll see a list of all your domains. Locate the one you want to redirect and click on Manage next to it. Step 3, open forwarding options. Now scroll down until you find the forwarding section. Click on Domain to open the forwarding settings. Step 4, enter destination URL. Next, enter the URL where you want your domain to redirect. Make sure you type it correctly. This is where visitors will be sent when they enter your domain. Step 5, choose forwarding type. A GoDaddy gives you two forwarding options, permanent 301 or temporary 302. Choose 301 if this is a long-term redirect or 302 if it's temporary. Step 6, save and confirm. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. It may take a few minutes for the forwarding to take effect, so be patient. That's it. Your domain is now successfully redirected. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.